Question number 1. When was World Lung Cancer Day celebrated recently? The correct answer option B. 1 August. Question number 2. Who has recently won the Dr. B.C. Roy Trophy for the third time? The correct answer option A. Manipur. Question number 3. Who has recently written the book The Men Who Become Cinema? The correct answer option C. Ashok Chopra. Question number 4. With which country has India recently signed an agreement for maritime security and safety cooperation? The correct answer option A. UAE. Question number 5. Which country's Kyoksavskoye volcano has erupted recently? The correct answer option B. Russia. Question number 6. Where has a new human blood group CRIB been discovered recently? The correct answer option C. Karnataka. Question number 7. Who has recently taken charge as Delhi Police Commissioner? The correct answer option B. SBK Singh. Question number 8. According to the recent reports, where has the highest tiger density been recorded? The correct answer option C. Bandipur National Park. Question number 9. In which state will August 7 celebrated as Sustainable Agriculture Day recently? The correct answer option A. Maharashtra. Question number 10. Recently, US President Donald Trump has announced to impose how much percentage tariff on Indian exports? The correct answer option B. 25%. Question number 11. Where has the formation of a new federal government been announced recently? The correct answer option A. Myanmar. Question number 12. Where is the third edition of Meghalaya Pineapple Festival being organized recently? The correct answer option C. New Delhi. Question number 13. Where was the 15th COP of Ramsar Wetland Convention recently concluded? The correct answer option B. Zimbabwe. Question number 14. Recently KPSC Rajendran has passed away. Who was he? The correct answer option C. Actor. Question number 15. Which state government has recently lifted the ban on high-tech sports? The correct answer option A. Punjab. Question number 16. Who has recently been appointed the head coach of the senior men's national football team? The correct answer option C. Khalid Jamel. Question number 17. Which state government has recently announced to impose groundwater extraction fee? The correct answer option C. Karnataka. Question number 18. Which country has recently been declared the most food insecure country in the world? The correct answer option B. Afghanistan. Question number 19. Dibrugarh Wildlife Sanctuary, which was in the news recently, is located in which state? The correct answer option B, Odisha. Question number 20. Which country will explore underbed oil reserves in Pakistan recently? The correct answer option A, America. Question number 21. Where will the new route be named after Shubhanshu Shukla recently? The correct answer option C, Lucknow. Question number 22. Who has recently taken over as Vice Chief of Navy? The correct answer option B, Sanjay Bhattchayan. Question number 23. Recently, whose bank chairman T.N. Manohar has passed away? The correct answer option B, IDBI Bank. Question number 24. Recently under Operation Muskan XI, the police of which state arrested 7,600 saved these children? The correct answer option A, Telangana. Question number 25. Where was ISRO's high altitude analog mission Hope inaugurated recently? The correct answer option C, Ladakh. Question number 26. Who has recently been awarded the 43rd Lokmanya Tilak National Award? The correct answer option B, Nitin Gadkari. Question number 27. Where did Mount Lebatobi Lucky Lucky volcano erupt recently? The correct answer option C, Indonesia. Question number 28. Which state government has recently announced insurance covers for Govindas? The correct answer option B, Maharashtra. Question number 29. Who has recently taken over as financial advisor Defense Services? The correct answer option A, Dr. Mayank Sharma. Question number 30. Which state has recently become the first state to launch the sabbatical leave scheme? The correct answer option C, Sikkim. Question number 31. Who has recently taken command of the Indian Naval Academy? The correct answer option B, Manish Chadha. Question number 32. Juanas Club's Syndrome Awareness Day celebrated recently. The correct answer option C, 3 August. Question number 33. Recently the president of which country has come on an official visit to India? The correct answer option A, Philippines. Question number 35. Where will Bezoli Utsav 2025 be organized recently? The correct answer option C, Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 35. When was US Coast Guard Day celebrated recently? The correct answer option D, 4 August. Question number 36. Which state cabinet has recently approved the amendment in the mineral mining rules? The correct answer option B, Haryana. Question number 37. Which IIT has recently developed agricultural waste-based packing material? The correct answer option C, IIT Madras. Question number 38. Who recently won the Hungarian Grand Prix? The correct answer option A, Lando Norris. Question number 39. Who has recently become the first woman district magistrate of Noida? The correct answer option B, Medha Rupam. Question number 40. Where has India's first Make in India green hydrogen plant started recently? The correct answer option C, Gujarat. Question number 41. Which country has recently announced a ban on YouTube for children under 16 years of age? The correct answer option A, Australia. Question number 42. Who has recently been appointed as the new Deputy Chief of the Indian Army? The correct answer option B, Pushpendra Singh. Question number 43. Recently, Shashi Prakash Goyal has taken charge as the new Chief Secretary of which state? The correct answer option A, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 44. Who recently organized the first CES Esports World Cup? The correct answer option C, Magnus Carlsen. Question number 45. Recently, Vasanti Devi has passed away. Who was she? The correct answer option A, academician. Question number 46. Which country has been declared as the most food insecure country in the world recently? The correct answer option C, Afghanistan. Question number 47. Where has Western Railway recently restarted the Heritage train on the 155-year-old line? The correct answer option A, Madhya Pradesh. Question number 48. Who has recently written the book The Conscious Network? The correct answer option B, Sujata Srinivasarja. Question number 49. Where has the BMSTEC Traditional Museum Festival been inaugurated for the first time recently? The correct answer option C, New Delhi. Question number 50. Which is the first private railway station of Uttar Pradesh which has been railway constructed? The correct answer option A, Gomti Nagar Railway Station.